This house was used in the movie The Specialist with Sylvester
Alrighty guys, and have your cameras ready. I'll be talking about that square foot mansion. It took 3 years to build at a cost of over $50 million. Each palm tree imported from South Africa at a cost of $10,000 each. There's 32 of them, so you guys do the math. The beautiful mansion belongs to Dr. Philip Frost. He's the former CEO and founder of the Ibex Pharmaceuticals, second largest pharmaceutical company in the state of Florida. The mansion pays $730,000 a year in taxes and is evaluated at $58 million. Only $58 million. Tiene 28,000 pies cuadrados, tardó 3 años en construir la costa de más de
Waterfalls right on the front.
$1,000,000. Cada parque incorporable del sur de África.
Look at the palm trees alone on that house. Just amazing. Wow. Look, the mansion, the estate doesn't end there. Look, this is still part of the estate here. All of this garden. Just amazing. $58 million. Julio Iglesias' house.
Una de las tantas casas que le perteneció a mi suegro, el cantante español Julio Chicago. Al Capone.
Al Capone's house.
This is the island for many winters from 1927 to 1947.
This is Palm Island.
Of those 20 years, he lived in a more exclusive island with daily room service, Alcatraz.
We've done a full turnaround, and this is Hibiscus Island. We saw Palm Island on the other side.
Lo perdió completamente todo, regresando sin un centavo, en donde falleció en 1939. A la edad de 65. Many music videos, photo shootings, commercials for supermodels like me. Pop star Usher has rented a home after the MTV Awards and also has Colombian singer Shakira.
Usher rented this house. It's in a lot of music videos. Wow. All right, what'd you say about these two man-made islands? What's their name and how were they formed? How they were created?
We have Palm Island and Hibiscus Island that were built by Carl Fisher in the 1900s. There's 23 islands on Biscayne Bay. 21 of these islands were built by Carl Fisher. There's only 2 natural islands, Miami Beach and Belle.
And what happened to his fortune now? He sold it to...
Carl Fisher came from Indiana with $8 million. He built the islands. He sold them to the city of Miami for $88 million. He invested his money in the stock market in New York. 3 days after, it crashed. He lost all $88 million. Came back without a penny when he died in 1939 at the age of 65.
To Henry Morrison Flagler, he was one of our pioneers who brought the railroad tracks from Jacksonville to Miami and all the way to the Keys. The 110-foot tall statue represents industry, pioneering, prosperity, and education. But this island here is better known by the locals as Beer Can Island. And it's very simple. You need is a small boat, a cooler full of beer, and your birthday suit. This is where the party's at every weekend. Monument Island.
Monument Island.